Hi friends, it's Udhaya from Backyard Garden Highlights. Hope you guys are doing great today. Today I'm going to take you guys to the Lowe shop and show you what we have right now in stock in Lowe shop. I can't believe that already Lowe is stocked with all the summer and spring bulbs and Dahlia tubers. So let's go and take a look at them. Section you have all the peonies and all the perennial bulbs, and here also you have a lot of peonies and all the gladiolus section, and here you have lot of varieties of dahlia mixture. So let's take a look at a closer look on each of the varieties we have. This is the iris and wonderful lily collection. Look at various lily collections. It's beautiful. Asiatic lily and oriental lily. And look at this. Rebecca 5 packs, $15. Let me show you what we have over here. So you have got 5 roots. Rebecca bloomed even after the light frost, so it's a great addition to the garden. And look at the peony. Stunning Sarah Bennett peony. 3 roots for $15. And hostas, 4 roots, $15. And this is my, I think, I'm really getting tempted to buy this, but I'm not going to buy it because I already have some in my garden. But 7 plants, cornflower and mixed color. This will be a great addition to any butterfly garden and cut flower garden. I really love it. It's really wonderful option to buy and plant them in a perennial section. And same cornflowers. And look at another surprise. This is the Liatris blazing star, and usually I have seen only this purple color, but I see there are white and purple, so it's going to look really nice. It's 25 bulbs, mixed color for $15. And the next one is again iris. You have 4 bulbs with the $15, and this is going to be 100% deep proof if you are looking for a perennial garden with a deep roof garden. And the next one I have is hostas, which I think we already saw. 4 plants, $15. This is astel bees. This is wonderful shade garden element. 3 plants. You have, I think, maybe white, red and pink colors. 3 roots for $15. Then we have peonies, Hawaiian coral and flames. Different variety of peony. They look really awesome for cut flower. And you have 2 plants for $15. All the Dahlia collections. And lilies, peonies. This 1 root, basically 1 clump, and $7. I think all this section has one for $7. This also. One clumps $7. Then you have Tropical Vibe collection. This is Canna and they have 3 bulbs for $7. And Oriental Lilies 7 bulbs for $7. Tiger Lilies 4 bulbs for $7. And Asiatic Lily, the unique dark black color, 4 bulbs for $7. The White Lily, Oriental Lily 6 bulbs for $7. And Asiatic Lily, the red color, that's also 7 bulbs for $7. And these are all, this is the Coral Sunset Peony. I have bought this last year and planted. One clump is for $7. And you have Bleeding Hearts. This is also 100% deed proof and it tolerates shade. So shade loving plant and it's a perennial. It really goes very well with hostas. 2 plants for $7. And Cannas, the mixed color. This is again 3 bulbs for $7. And look at that peony. The most stunning look. Shirley Temple, most favorite for many gardeners. And I have also planted last year. 1 clump for $7. And this is sorbet, I don't know how to pronounce. This is again 1 clump for $7. And these are all 40 bulbs Liatris or Blazing Star. For $10 you get 40 bulbs. This is definitely a good deal. And Dutch Iris, this is usually planted in fall for spring bloom. I don't know if you plant them now, it's going to bloom for this spring, but I definitely recommend that 40 bulbs for $10. It's a wonderful deal. And the deer won't eat any of the flowers and the plant, so 100% deer proof spring bulb. And then I have my next favorite collection, this pink purple, the berry mixed gladiolus, 25 bulbs for $10. It's worth buying. The spiky bloom structure makes it an amazing cut flower. Even though they are called as annual for zone 6B, at least in my area they come back year after year, so it's wonderful collection. Next, let's look at what are all the various Dahlia mix we have. 2 bulbs or 2 clumps actually. Dahlias are a wonderful collection to any garden and they start bloom almost around end of June till the first frost. And Garden Wonder, this is already I have in my garden, amazing performer. And look at this Dahlia, it looks really cute. And this is the dinner plate size bloom, the purple one. It's also another wonderful performing Dahlia. And then this is really amazing color. If you want to have a cut flower garden, definitely this is one of them. And it goes very well for any wedding decoration, any fall decoration. Amazing color. So, then we have Taylor James, and then we have Mystery Day Dahlia, and Kevin's Floodlight, Color Spectacle, Lady Darling. This is going to be amazing mixer too. 3 clumps for $10. And this is again 3 clumps for $10. And this is container friendly, so you can plant them in containers. And 3 clumps for $10. Amazing set, really wonderful mixes available if you want to grab them before they are gone. We have all the seed potatoes. different varieties of potatoes, sweet potato, and then you have onions, asparagus, onion, and garlic, onions, onion sets, multiple mixed colors. So this is 90 sets. We got $4 and 3 plants for $4. Asparagus and snowball white onion 90 sets for $4 and garlic 3 bulbs for $4 and the variety name is I think California soft neck variety. And this is mixed onion. You have all onions and that's 90 sets for $4. This is sweet potato, blue color, the purple one, 5 bulbs for $4. And on this top row you have sweet potato, 4 bulbs for $4. Alright guys, hope you guys like watching this video. I'll see you in another video. Please support my channel by subscribing, commenting and sharing with your friends.